No human being born by a woman will kill you. Forget about these things they are gathering. The arrow is passing by. The shock, the fear, nightmare, every night this time. You are scared of life.
Yes.
No man will kill you.
Amen.
From your father's compound. No man born by a woman will take your life.
Amen.
God said I should let you know this. And take your mind that way.
Yes.
Now, your own money will be donated in the burial of this particular man that comes after you.
Amen.
You know, you look at what we are debating. What have I done? I've been doing my right thing. I've been forcing my husband, my money, spending for the welfare of my family. Why wouldn't I leave you? Nobody will kill you.
Amen.
Wipe your tears. Thank you. You're covered.